You can edit most any parts of our designs that we put into the designer. For instance, first thing we're going to do is get rid of this tiger head. That's our placement logo that we stick in a lot of different templates. Let's go over here to clip art and choose a category. Scroll down, let's choose mascots, and let's go ahead and something quick, bears, and we'll choose this guy. Obviously the color doesn't match, but we're going to take care of that in a second. So let's reduce him down, move him up, and put him inside this little wreath. Have his paw kind of outreaching over the word varsity. Okay, let's go ahead and color this guy. We're going to pretend the school's colors are brown, so we'll start with him. Now you'll notice there's different elements in the design, and sometimes to click on an element you need to click this layer manager because layers are on top of one another. So click on the layer manager, you'll see all your different elements listed on the left. Right now we're going to click on the main design, and we're going to kind of turn it brown to match the bear. We turn that element brown. Now let's go ahead and choose another element here within this background and change it to the brown, and then this to like a light cream color. Now let's move on to the main font. Again, I can't select it, so I'm going to go to my layer manager, select it there, choose the color, and we're going to go brown with it. Let's use that brown. Now let's choose this font. Was easy to select because it was on the top, and we're going to turn it brown, and let's turn its outline a light brown as well. Choose this font down at the bottom, change it to a brown, and the font up top. Using a lot of browns, aren't we? Now let's change this shirt color to a dark brown, and you'll kind of see the direction I was going. Okay. Zoom in, and this guy here needs to be defined a little more, so we're going to darken it up, and there you go. Now let's take a look and see how easy it is to actually change the text to your custom text. Again, I can't select the varsity because it's in the background, so I'm going to select it right here and change my font, my text, and we're going to say bears. Now I need to enlarge that, but again it's behind the word 2012. So I can't select it there, and I'm going to come over here to my layer manager, drop down, and this is another little trick you can do. Instead of selecting it there, you can actually move it up. So I'm going to go ahead and move it up into the front, then I'm going to resize it where I want it, then I'll just come right back down here and drop it to the back again. Super easy. So let's go ahead and change another text font here. Let's rivalart.com t-shirt. Let's change that. And let's type Pride of Fairfield. I guess we've got the Fairfield Bears here. We're going to enlarge this to where it fits. About right in there. And now let's go on up to this arched text above the bear, and I'll show you how easy that is to change. So let's go ahead and put football. Let's pretend this is a football design, football team, and you can see how the text is just arching right over the top of the bear. And that's really all there is to it. If there are any issues that are negatively impacting your design that you notice, like it being off-centered, or the fonts or letters aren't quite right, or colors, we're going to catch that. Our artists, we review every single design that comes to the system. So once you save it and you place your order, we'll look over the design, and our professional artist will take care of these issues for you. If you want to jot us some notes in the notes section upon checkout, you can do that as well. Hope this little tutorial helped you get a good head start on creating a professional design. Thank you for taking the time to watch it.